Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open Business Manager and act immediately. Verify you are an admin and the email on file matches. Next, go to Business Settings and click Requests. That's where pending approvals live. Once you see the incoming request, inspect who sent it and which assets are requested. This prevents accidental permission grants. Make sure to note whether they ask for page, add account, pixel, or partner access, because each needs different confirmation steps before you approve or decline. Once done with the initial check, dive into the details. Click the request and expand the permissions list to see exact roles and asset scopes. Compare those with current team members and your security policy so you avoid overgranting admin rights. If it's an ad account, confirm billing and spending limits. If it's a pixel, verify data sharing needs. Make adjustments by editing role selections or contacting the requester for clarifying info before you hit approve or decline. After you approve, confirm the change appears under people or partners and that the asset shows the new connection. If everything looks correct, immediately notify stakeholders and record what was approved for auditing. If approval fails or access doesn't propagate, clear your browser cache and try again. If that doesn't work, ask the requester to withdraw and resend the invitation or check for multiple Business Manager conflicts. One key tip: always recheck role scopes after approval to prevent privilege creep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.